At My Lifestyle Marketing, it's your belief that fuels our success. And that's what makes My Lifestyle one of India's leading and fastest growing direct selling companies. What's powering this incredible growth? A great business plan that rewards your efforts, a winning team of distributors, leaders and management, mentorship that inspires, and a training system that builds champions. But here's what sets us apart. A product range India trusts. Let's step into the world of My Lifestyle products. At My Lifestyle, we have built strong and trusted brands like Elements Wellness, On and On, India Grow, New Star, My Home and Ahar. Each created with a clear purpose of giving complete customer satisfaction. At My Lifestyle, product innovation and development are at the heart of everything we do. That's why we've brought together some of the finest scientific minds in the industry, experts behind some of India's most trusted products. My Lifestyle products are manufactured in India across 9 GMP certified facilities spanning over 5 lakh square feet. These facilities are modern, with utmost importance given to hygiene, and powered by automation, ensuring minimal human contact and maximum precision. Behind every My Lifestyle product is the backing of science.
Our products are primarily meant to help consumers maintain their health. These herbs are used in the right level, right part of the herb, right quality and the right processing methods. In addition, we look at each herb or each ingredient and their scientific data that is available in published scientific literature, and each batch of the product is tested for quality and only such products are offered. The products do not contain any non-vegetarian ingredients, and even the capsule shells that are used are made up of vegetarian ingredients. Some of our products are based on food science and food technology and nutrition science, and they are complying with food safety regulations in the country.
At My Lifestyle, quality isn't just claimed, it's certified. Our Ayurvedic products carry the prestigious Ayush Premium mark. Our bestseller product, On and On 9E5, is tested and certified by a global laboratory. Multiple certifications across our range stand as proof of our uncompromising promise to deliver the very best for our customers. Elements Wellness, our flagship brand, has been recognized as a top healthcare brand by the Economic Times.
Many companies sell products, whereas at My Lifestyle Marketing, we build brands. To assess whether a brand is a super brand, there is a checklist of 7 questions that need to be answered. Firstly, is there an expert team of highly qualified scientists to create the products? Secondly, are the products made in large, modern and GMP approved factories? Third, is there a professional, well-trained team to promote the products? 4. Do the products deliver the results that they promise? 5. Does the packaging look modern and attractive? 6. Are the products certified? And 7. Has the brand been publicly recognized? At My Lifestyle Marketing, The answer to all these questions is a big yes, which is why we are proud of our products and our super brands.
By now, you know why millions across Bharat trust My Lifestyle and its products. A company that delivers on its promise every time. Because for My Lifestyle, quality isn't just a benchmark, it's a commitment.